All right, guys, here with Cora and Evelyn, two of our very best kickboxers. They're helping us film techniques we're working on for the curriculum. I'm recovering from shoulder issues, so they have been so generous in helping us film. Okay, we're gonna do a combo we've been working on. I just call 3 knees, 3 hands. And what I want you to do with this, ladies, is you're gonna go just a normal kind of tie clinch. We'll go 3 quick knees, and then we're gonna exit the clinch after that third knee. We throw them out to the side and we go 3 hands. Those 3 hands can be hook, cross, or cross, hook, cross. So she'll do cross, hook, cross this time. Cross, hook, cross, right? And just re-engaging on the clinch and going to that 3 hands. We'll do each one more time. Cross, hook, good. Next time we'll do 2, 3, 2. Cross, hook, cross. 1, 2, 3 knees. Here. Cross, hook, cross. Very good. Okay, so 3 knees, 3 hands. What's good about this too is you're going from a clinch phase, close range, back to your boxing phase, more like a middle to long range, okay? So be working on that in the gym. It's one we've been working on the last several weeks. We'll be working on through till the end of March, okay? Thanks, guys.